Victims of Hurricane Maria continue to arrive here in the Queen City as they leave the devastation in Puerto Rico. About 200 families from the U.S. territory have relocated to Buffalo.
But as News 4's Rachel Monjovi tells us, they're facing more challenges here. Rachel?
Yeah, Dave and Jackie, for the last month, the Puerto Rican community and other organizations have been trying to help these families find homes in Buffalo. Some have family already living here, but others are still homeless.
These people have survived a natural disaster unlike any I could imagine, and they have nothing. They are coming here with nothing. Their lives have been destroyed.
Tens of thousands of Puerto Rico residents are fleeing the country after Hurricane Maria. They're finding new places and cities to settle in, including here in Western New York.
At this point, we have around, I would say, 200 families, between 150 to 200 families. We have around 100 children in Buffalo Public Schools.
Families are leaving behind an island, still struggling to regain power. Many don't have access to drinking water, but they're also leaving behind their home.
These people don't want to leave their home.
No.
Puerto Ricans are very strong and proud people. They love their island.
As hundreds try to find comfort in Buffalo, they're facing even more struggles. Nadia Pizarra assists families finding housing, their biggest need. But she says there's a housing shortage in Buffalo, specifically affordable housing. Many are sleeping on kitchen floors.
You'll have a family that'll end up taking in 7 people that doesn't have beds for those people, so couches, floors get filled up really quickly.
The Puerto Rican community says they're expecting more residents in the coming days, and the need for help is greater than ever.
We're anticipating a second wave as well, because people are just getting out of Puerto Rico wherever they can go, but the need still continues on. The young population, people with children, they're the ones that's leaving because they want their children to continue with their education.
Next week, the Puerto Rican community will make a public call for donations. They're in need of furniture, household supplies, coats, boots, and winter clothes. The drop-off location hasn't been announced yet. In the meantime, people can drop off winter clothes and baby clothes to the Harvest House on Jefferson Avenue. Reporting live, Rachel Monjovi, News 4 at 5.